In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Excel. This tool is a game changer for anyone working with data, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. It can greatly enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this powerful feature. First, open Microsoft Excel. You can choose to open an existing workbook or create a new one. If possible, save your file to OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot works best with cloud-saved files, ensuring seamless performance and accessibility. This is important because it allows Copilot to utilize its full capabilities by accessing the latest updates and features. Once your file is loaded, locate the Copilot button on the Home tab and click it. This action will open the Copilot pane on the side of your workbook. Now you have a powerful assistant right at your fingertips, ready to help you work more efficiently with your data. With Copilot open, you can start asking questions about your data in plain English. You might ask, summarize this data. What trends do you see? Or even which products had the highest sales? Copilot can analyze your data and provide valuable insights, making complex data analysis much more accessible. Next up, let's explore how to create formulas. Instead of struggling to remember complex formula syntax, simply ask Copilot to help. You can say, create a formula to calculate profit, or calculate the average sales for each month. Copilot will generate and explain formulas for you, saving you time and reducing errors. This is crucial because understanding your formulas can deepen your analytical skills. Moving on, you can ask Copilot to create charts. For instance, you might request, create a chart showing sales by month, or visualize revenue by region. Copilot will generate charts based on your data, providing a clear visual representation that can enhance your interpretation and presentation of information. After that, let's see how Copilot can assist with sorting and filtering data. You can instruct it to show only sales above $1,000, highlight duplicate values, or sort customers by total purchases. Copilot can apply these filters and formatting automatically, making your data more organized and easier to analyze. At this point, you might want to clean up your data. Copilot can help here too. Ask it to find missing values, remove duplicate rows, or fix inconsistent formatting. This can save you a lot of manual work, allowing you to focus on the more strategic aspects of your project. Now, let's put all these features into an example workflow. Imagine you have a sales spreadsheet. Open Copilot and ask, summarize this data. This will give you a quick overview of your sales performance. Then ask, create a chart of monthly sales to visualize trends over time. Next, inquire which month had the highest revenue. Finally, request, create a formula to calculate profit. Copilot will do most of the work for you, transforming data analysis into a more intuitive and efficient process. And there you have it. By leveraging Microsoft Copilot in Excel, you can enhance your productivity, make data-driven decisions, and reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you explore the power of Copilot in Excel.